After unveiling the bonkers 488 GTB FPlus Corsa just a few days ago with way more power than a Pista, the tuner is now showing off the menacing Nemesis featuring an endless array of custom parts. For starters, the 4-cylinder 1.75-liter gasoline engine has now been bumped to a 1.95-liter displacement and has also received a new turbocharger. Pogea Racing's engineers also installed a new forged crankshaft, updated cylinder heads, forged piston rods, and bigger intake valves. The list of niceties goes on with a custom exhaust system featuring carbon tailpipes, a reworked gearbox, and revised electronics to make sure all upgrades will work harmoniously with one another. As a result of making so many changes, the rear-wheel drive coupe now offers a whopping 477 horsepower at the driver's disposal, so it now has about double the power of the regular 237 horsepower 4C. If you're wondering about torque, it has been lifted from the series 258 pound-feet, 350 Newton-meters, to 395 pounds ft, 535 Newton-meters.